Do you see a problem here, Eric? Do you see a problem? This is the Ohio LPE 630 package one, right?
No, it's C7.
Jesus, Tyler, it's Friday. You did so well this week, and now you have to ruin it. I was so proud of you. The viewers were so proud of you and your cooperation.
No, they weren't.
They were. Even in the comments, they're like, Tyler's really come around. Now, if only we could get Eric to do so, this channel would be so much more enjoyable.
That is all said by Steve. That is not a comment.
100%. Anywhere. I didn't say it. The viewers said. Well, they did also say that.
I just think Tyler's jealous because Eric's taking gifts.
Yeah, that's true.
Tyler wants some gifts.
I mean, it could be possible.
Well, maybe if you're nice, people will send you things.
I doubt it.
Well, how about if you're nice, I'll give you things.
I doubt that too.
Yeah, I do too, but I just want you to cooperate, Tyler.
I do sometimes, and other times.
Eric's mom will not come around as much if you cooperate.
Yes, she will. I cooperate all this week, and she still showed up.
What are you talking about, Tyler?
You want if you don't do that stupid voice again.
You'll cooperate if I don't do the voice? So if I don't do the voice, you're going to cooperate.
Yes.
Is that what you said?
Yes.
All right. So you know the minute you don't cooperate,
Oh, of course I know you're
your
gonna
mom's
do that
coming
'cause you're
back.
annoying as
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I got your word. You heard it first. Well, that's kind of sucks though, because we either have to choose between funny Eric's mom voice or Eric cooperating. I don't know. It's not gonna last. It's gonna last like a day. So let's try it again. So this is the Ohio car the guy dropped off in last Wednesday's episode. Baselined 544?
Somewhere around
Something like that.
Yes, Steve. That's
Cam,
what it
headers,
is.
all that good stuff.
Yes.
Stock fixed heads.
Yes.
So we're basically doing our cam, our heads, and then all the same exhaust stuff, right?
Yes.
Okay. And hopefully no surprises with the engine.
That'd be nice.
You step back up too when I'm going back together. Yeah.
I like my gun.
Guns are like bad. You should like use a hand tool instead because they're less violent.
I didn't do the mom voice. That was my little voice.
Well, your normal voice is that, so why change it?
Ouch. Ouch. So rude.
It's not tinted, so it doesn't
No, I can still see
We have to get it tinted.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea.
Yeah.
I like how you can see the meth tank right behind you. It's nice.
Yeah, that's what I hate when these things aren't tinted. How you can just look through the back window.
Yeah, we're gonna get it tinted.
Yeah, I know what we're both saying. I'm like, what?
Do you see a problem here, Eric? Do you see a problem?
Harry, you ain't got no engine.
We ain't got no engines. We ain't got no engines.
We got no engines, do we? No, do we? No, do we? No, it's not.
Couple Nissan SR20 motors a pull-up premium 1 week before race wars, huh?
Yeah, probably. You want 30 weight?
Couple LS7s go prime couple weeks before Texas 2K.
Except that's going on right now.
Shut up. This could have been filmed weeks before.
But it wasn't. Texas 2K is today, tomorrow, Sunday.
Okay. Could have pulled prime couple days before Texas 2K.
Nope.
And during.
Nope. It'd take 2 days just to get to Texas, and it'd be over by the time you got there.
Well, you know what?
Saying.
I hate you.
Mitch, plug in, but I'll get it.
So close, Eric. Oh, is that the so close face? There it is.
Stop making fun of him. He's gonna punch you.
He's gonna punch me.
Just let him get this
You done yet?
Nope. Cam's not even in it. What are you talking about?
What the hell, dude? What have you been doing all day? You started this thing Friday. It's now Monday.
Cam's in it. Yeah, I got to do a rear main seal and a wool paint gasket.
Okay. We're doing a clutch too, aren't we?
Yeah. He texted me this morning saying that we got to do a clutch in it, so.
Yeah, I just heard we were doing one.
So probably be here tomorrow. I'll wait and do the rear main at the same time I got that out since that's where it's at.
Makes sense.
So just got done putting the new oil pan back, pan gasket on it, put the pan back in it.
Cool.
Heads are on it and bolted down.
Yeah, you better bring my shirt.
Shirt.
Yeah, Lou and I both ordered a shirt like 6 months ago, last year.
For what?
Just because it was funny.
What does it say?
You'll see.
Oh, will I?
Yeah. And Louis gave it to Joey to give to me because
Yeah.
I kept forgetting. What the hell is that?
Signature.
Someone signed it.
Evidently.
It's funny.
Wasn't I?
So you brought my shirt?
Yeah.
Dude, you just fucking
From
bolted
Boosted
it.
C6.
Thanks, Louis.
It's on the counter in there.
Yeah, I need footage from yesterday's Mexico trip.
I only have one race.
It's fine. Don't you have GoPro stuff too?
That's it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I have I have one race. I have in-car and I have GoPro.
Okay. I heard you probably
Happy.
blew a head gasket.
Yeah. What are you gonna do? It only had about,
450 passes.
well, there's 87 slips in my car.
Jesus.
Plus all the times that I don't put the slip in my car and I just put it in my pocket and then it goes through the washing machine.
All your 11-second slips.
At all my 11.0 at 119.
Yeah.
But then I also have like Mexico trips, which is probably double that. So it might be time to do a head gasket.
Hopefully you didn't the head.
Yeah, I mean, it is what it is, I guess.
Because race car.
It was fun. Street car.
Street car
Show
with
car.
interior.
Show car with a trophy.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah, you don't.
And you bent a wheel going over a pothole, you stupid.
And as soon as I got in the right lane, because I wasn't really like fully paying
attention,
attention, I hit this pothole and it actually rode really fine. It rode fine.
After Fran banged it in the
Yeah,
place.
he banged the front side and I banged the back side out. We had to wheel off. We used a jack from F Body.
Yeah, it's a
thanks to
factory one.
LSX Underground on Instagram. And he had a F Body, and then somebody had a hammer.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw Guitarmageddon's like Instagram story of Fran just banging away at your wheel, and I was like, oh Jesus.
Worked out good.
Got my shirt.
Are you happy about that?
I am happy. It's pretty sweet. Zeus, I hear it's your birthday. Oh yeah? So how old is he now?
He's 6.
6 years
Old
old.
motherfucker. Right, bud?
Is that technically like a senior for his size?
I don't know. Are you an old guy? I'm not lazy on my birthday. I don't give a fuck about my birthday.
I know.
It's just another day, buddy.
That's right. Another day older.
I'm old.
I know you are. So how'd Mexico go?
Went well.
Yeah.
Took a trip. It was a long day, but we took a trip.
Who all went down? Obviously Joey.
Yeah, a lot of people. Me, Joey, Dirty Max Jack, GuitarmageddonZL1, my other buddy with an underground Lambo. He'll remain nameless.
He doesn't want people to know it's
The other guy from Cook's Exotics, he came with the
McLaren.
the McLaren. Who else was there?
LSX Underground guy with that.
Yeah, LSX Underground kid was there. Thanks for the jack. Trying to think of what other cars are in the parking lot. Other buddy Tim came with his heads cam. No, it's not even heads cam. It's a I forgot he's got a motor in that thing. It's forged C6Z with a bunch of nitrous on it. We were supposed to race him, but never ended up happening.
Jack and them didn't race either, did they?
I don't think so. No. I think really the only people that raced were like basically me and Nick.
And Joey, once or twice.
Yeah. Once basically. I wish he would have not let off on the one race where I missed a gear.
I know. You could see his brakes in the
I
video.
know. He didn't. I guess he didn't. He must have thought that he went too early or something, or I let off, or then I did. He must have thought that Nick let off or something too. And whatever. We'll do it again. Still in the 20s, boost only.
You should have sprayed.
Like I said, the 20s are staying on until I get beat. If someone beats me on the 20s, I'm going to put the other tires on. Besides Sal, he f***ed me up in his GTR. A different day.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was gonna say I didn't see a GTR.
Yeah, I raced him in his GTR, and he destroyed
Was
me
that
in
got
that.
to put down over 13 or something then, right?
It made like 1,500 something.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Do you have video of that?
Oh yeah, of course I do.
You should send it.
Okay.
Make your head a little bit smaller.
Yeah, if I lose to any rear-wheel drive car,
It's a roll race.
it doesn't matter. They're like rolling into like 1500. They kill me.
All-wheel drive on a roll doesn't mean shit.
Yeah, it does. When you make 406 horsepower like you do, it doesn't. But when you make 1400 horsepower, it still matters, buddy.
All right, fair enough. Fair enough.
Yeah, so I haven't really been beat on the 20s yet. Even boost only.
That's pretty good. So what about Joey's car? Did we take a look at it yet or no?
Pulled some plugs. That's about it. Yeah, we didn't pull it apart yet, but it has. I'm not really surprised it blew a head against it. It's got 250 plus nitrous passes on it.
Wow.
You know, I think he said he has like 90 something at the track. I mean, and we go to Mexico 10 times more than we go to the track, so.
Sure.
I'm not mad at it. We haven't touched the car since we built it besides change plugs, so.
And his drive shaft when he broke that recently.
His drive shaft when that broke, yeah.
Which was surprising because that was already a stock.
Yeah, it was stock drive shaft and axles. Replace the drive shaft and we have axles for it too.
Okay, nice. Hey, you want a shirt for your birthday? No. Fine. Bye. Hey, buddy. So rear main and clutch now?
Yeah.
Nice.
And then later I'm gonna go plant some stuff.
Gonna do what?
Go plant some stuff. I got a green thumb now.
Yeah, what do you want to explain to the viewers what happened?
Me and my thumb got in a fight with a rollback bed.
So, yesterday, the guy was dropping off a C706 on a trailer. And it's a low car, so we put some wood down. I put one on one side, and Tyler puts the wood on the other side underneath between the ramp and the flatbed. And the fucking tow truck driver hits the switch and slams the flatbed on his thumb and smashes it. All I hear is, oh my God, oh God. So good to see you're doing okay.
Still have my thumb.
What is it? Was it just fractured or what?
Yeah. Hairline, compression fracture, something like that.
His nail is like off, like
Black.
off.
Black.
Oh man.
It'll fall
I think that would
eventually.
bother me more, the nail being gone, than the hairline fracture.
Yeah, well, my nail probably won't be gone and grown back, and I'll be married in somewhere around a year.
Yeah, it'll be a long time. You're gonna remember that for quite some time there, buddy. But hey, at least you look at that. That happens yesterday, fractured, messed up, and you're still at work. Whereas Eric has a sniffle.
I didn't know that was coming.
Sniffle, and he doesn't come in. So, Tyler, your new name is Tyler the Trooper.